this crime and on what purpose?
A few months ago, first of all, we don't know if the site that we attacked that day, half an hour before, about 11:30, was a chemical warehouse or depot or anything like this. And their story said that the attack happened at 6:30 in the morning. We didn't launch any attack at that time. Mm-hmm. So you have two possibilities. The first one, that there was an attack at lunchtime or at about 11:30. The other possibility that we believe in, that it was false flag, there was no attack. All what we saw as pictures and videos was like the video that we've been seeing for the last year or 2 years or more, regarding the white helmets, the humanitarian Al-Qaeda, which is elusive story, let's say, which doesn't exist anyway. And the picture that shows children being killed by Russian airstrike, to discover later that it wasn't real picture. They put a boy, they covered him with the mud and blood, the fake blood, of course, yes, and so on. All this ploy could be part of them. This could be part of them. That's what we believe in, because the attack was already prepared. And they didn't want to listen. They didn't want to investigate. They only wanted to launch the attack. We believe it was false flag for one reason, and simple reason. If there was gas leakage or attack, and you're talking about 60 dead in that city, how could the city continue its life normally? They didn't evacuate the city. No one left the city. Life continued as normal. And this is mass destruction. Everything is ready to implement that reconciliation. They did what they announced for. And even if you look at the pictures, you can see that the rescuers, the presumable rescuers, were rescuing people without masks, without gloves, and they were moving freely. Yes. This is against all the specifications of the sarin gas that they talked about. They cannot. They would have been dead like the others. And you don't know that those people who are lying on the ground were dead or not. Ideology. So different names, and as you know, Al-Nusra itself changed its name.